Hi MJ, I just wanted to make a screencast the process that I went through when replacing the images from Titan into the document. So for example, this was one of the images they wanted me to replace. I actually did not find an image that was gonna work out nicely with this one, so I left it. But so in this image, for the example, we wanted something that was a messy room. And this one was like very Western, I guess, and not really reflecting what most people are going to have. So when I went in Titan, I think what I did, I put in messy bedroom. Now these pictures are not able to be used because when you click on them, they don't have the code we're looking for. We want the code that says all uses permitted. And so that didn't work anyway. Let me just look at bedroom in general so I could show you an image that would be possible to switch out if we wanted to use it. Um, so most of these pictures do not have codes that say all uses permitted. Like this means like, no, we can't use that one. So, you have to search and find one that says all uses permitted, which um, could take some time, but I'm just gonna find one that was going to work. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and click on this one. So this one says all uses permitted. So this one would be usable. And what I would do is download the picture. Wait, hold on. That's not download. Download's right here. So I would download it, and then you will find more details about the picture to do that coding that Brandon talked about. And so this is the Titan ID right here. And then to get that telescope ID, it's under repositories and relationships. There's usually a telescope ID here. For this certain picture, there isn't, so we wouldn't put it, but for a lot of them, it is there. So I'm going to show you what it looked like for an image I found that did work. Oh, this was another image. There's like no good bathroom images in Titan, so I did not replace that one either. But let me go through and show you what I did on some that I did replace. Okay, so this one I replaced. It was like a really nice westernized hoity-toity bedroom before. And so I found an image that worked with the example. And so I just put in replaced old picture. I commented that. And then I also, so to comment, I just go to review, new comment on the picture, replaced old picture. I put the Titan ID, and this one did not have a telescope ID, so I did not use a telescope ID. Let me show you what it looked like when I did find one with the telescope ID. Believe it was in lesson 13. Hmm. Sorry. I'm trying to remember what lesson it was. Maybe it was activities. I think it was activities. Okay. So 11. Here we go. Okay. So this one before it was a picture with the expensive car in the background and a man coming home from work. So what I did is I went and I found a picture that would also work for being with this vocabulary. This one is going to be she's napping or taking a nap is the vocabulary. So it doesn't necessarily have to be the same vocabulary. Like if you can find an image that works with another set of vocabulary from the same lesson that they can practice with, that's fine. And so for this image, I also looked up what a common African name is for little girls, and maybe you can correct me on this, but I found Imani, so I put that in the picture. We do try to match, like, if it is someone who is um, Latino background or if it's an Asian background, you can see that like the names usually match it. So anyway, for this one, replace old picture, the Titan ID and the telescope ID. This one did have a telescope ID. So that's just what we're doing with these. And you would just delete the old picture, and then I'll show you what it looks like I'm sure you know how to do this, but in case you don't, you just after you download the picture from Titan, when you say insert picture from file, um, you just like pick the picture you downloaded, and then you usually just have to resize it. Oh, that did not resize. Grab it a different way. Ah, it's being extra slow. There we go. So then I would just, okay, anyway, this one's not working out that great, but you get the idea. You just resize it to about the same size as the other ones and then comment on the picture. Hopefully this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. I took care of all the ones I thought had good switches from that document already. So at this point, we'll just move on, and you can identify pictures or like have a list of pictures in the EC1 manual and the EC2 manual you think require a change because it's just out of touch with our international learners. And then we can go into Titan, find a good replacement, and go through that process. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.